Nick Kennedy. I'm the CEO at Flex Machine Tools. Being a growth company, we're going to change a lot, and we're going to challenge everything, and we're going to be innovating like crazy. For manufacturing, we're very aggressive and we're young. So we have a young team here. We've been able to recruit, and we've recruited a lot of young people to come work in manufacturing. If you look at our team, it's pretty obvious. So we're passionate people, first of all, and we've been lucky enough to be able to assemble the right team. We've been lucky enough to be able to put that package together so people want to be a part of it. They want to join us on that mission. So to help us achieve the vision, they want to be part of that team. And that team is what's going to allow us to achieve that vision of being just great machine tool producers and an innovative company. But it's a great team, and it's a fun environment to be a part of that, because that's what we're here on Earth to do. We're here to be part of something way bigger than any one of us individually, anything that we could do individually. I want to continue to just push those limits, because we have one life to live. We have to make things better. We're able to do that here. So we've been able to assemble the right team, and we're going to continue to do so. We're not done. We're far from done. I love manufacturing. I love this country. The opportunity that we have right now is bigger than ever before. We're here, we have that opportunity. That's so rare. My military experience, probably one of the biggest drivers for why this company is going to be full throttle. We're here today because of all the men and women that have sacrificed themselves and given us this opportunity to be here and have this freedom. So it is our duty and obligation to do something with that. So if you're at this company, you're going to be a part of that regardless, because we are going to do something with that opportunity to honor everyone that's served. It's made a huge impact on why I do what I do, why I come in here, why we're aggressive, why we're going to be a growth company. It's to honor all those people that have given us this opportunity.
My name is Joe Taylor. I am a regional sales manager for Flex Machine Tools. My region is the entire East Coast or Atlantic Coast and all of Canada. I had a mutual friend of our owner. The job that I was in, I enjoyed, but I didn't have a way to affect the bottom line. I had no idea what Flex did at that point, and I live in the same town as the company. Came in, interviewed, found out more about the product line, more about what they do, and I was on board 100%. So the fun part about working here is that we're not afraid to try things. If we've got an idea and we think it'll work, we're more than willing to give it a solid effort. One of the biggest things that sets us apart, we also tend to lean forward. When we decide that we're going to do something, everyone just kind of, as a group, we lean forward into it and we figure it out. My region, I have a really good month and everyone gives me a pat on the back, but truly I get to reflect that back to everybody else, because I'm not doing it by myself. It's got my name next to the number, but it's an entire team effort. Culture here at Flex is, it's interesting. It's hard to put your finger on it. Our leadership, they do a great job of allowing people to shine where they shine best. Somebody who's not good at spreadsheets shouldn't spend their day just because that's how we've always done it. And so we tend to lean away from that and just find places where people can excel and allow them to thrive there. On top of that, it's just a fun place. It's young, it's energetic. I'm the old salty dog on the sales team, but we've also got ping pong games happening every day at 10, 12, and 2. We've got a motocross track out back. I've always enjoyed shows like How It's Made and all those kind of different things. You don't realize how much goes into something simple. I'd also say for somebody who's looking at manufacturing or looking at going into some sort of further education, you can get direct education by being in the field. In the same way that people change majors, you can change your job title. My favorite part about Flex Machine Tools, it's not a singular item. My favorite part is the people, the team, our willingness to try something. I have direct input on things. I truly view it as having almost ownership in the company, that I'm responsible for 40% of the employees here because I'm responsible for 40% of our bottom line. And so to me, I take it very personally. I'm passionate about it because I truly, when I'm walking from one side of the shop to the other, I'm looking at people feeling like I have a responsibility to keep things moving, to keep things progressing, When I started with the company, we had 30 employees. Now we have about 50. That to me is an exciting thing, to be part of something that's growing, that's expanding, involving really talented people, and just being able to be part of that is exciting.
Swaney, applications engineer here at Flex CNC, and kind of what I do is I help with the Flex CNC department. Customers bring applications to us, and I try to help that customer see how they could run their product on our machines. I wasn't quite sure really what I wanted to get into. I had a friend who was actually looking for some help at their place, and that was my first machine job, and it kind of really just escalated from there. It's been the best thing to happen for my career, and it's been awesome. Taking something from nothing. So, in a machine shop, you're making parts, right? But you're making those parts out of just raw material. So to be able to take, a block of material and do all of these processes on it with all these awesome tools, and then it's meant to be something for somebody else. To me, is rewarding is to see the whole process from start to finish, taking that raw piece of material, doing what I need to do to it, make it into something, and seeing how that product is then getting used by the end customer, and it's pretty awesome to see. I would say the coolest part is, one, working with the guys I work with, but just being in the position that I'm in now, being able to meet new people, bringing in other companies to see how their tools work, see what they're bringing into manufacturing, and being able to test different tools, run different materials, to be able to, like I said, meet new people, but to also learn about the new tools that are out in the industry. It's something I really enjoy. I mean, as far as the facility goes, it's something that us as a company, we really take a lot of pride in. Having that thought in your head that, at any point somebody could come in, and if we're bringing somebody from outside into our facility, we really want to leave a good imprint on them, on how we take care of things around here. So the facility is just something that I think us as a company take a lot of pride in. To be able to go to work and know that it's not going to be a headache every day just because of the people that you work with, that's something else that I would say is probably the biggest thing that, something that I deal with a lot of customers. They come in and I do the training, and that's the one thing that I think every single time every customer that I've worked with has said something about, was kind of like the camaraderie that we have here. And that's something that not everybody gets to experience just because of the size of the shop, or the location, or whatever it may be.
My name is Ethan Daniels. I'm 20 years old, and I am the video specialist here at Flex Machine Tools. I was going in post-class to one of my professors to talk to him about one of my assignments, and he just stops me in my tracks and goes, "Are you interested in this?" and points at his computer. I'm looking at it, it says Flex Machine Tools. Gave him my email, and one day Flex contacted me, had an interview, and look where I am now. As soon as I walked in, I saw the way, even just the building itself was just so cool, for lack of a better term. Going from just a part-time high school, college job to the professional world in my career, I was big time anxious. After getting to know everybody and getting around, the culture, being exposed to that, I got super comfortable. My experience personally, I could tell I joined at a time where Flex is going to have a lot of growing opportunities, especially some of the opportunities I was given here. I definitely was not expecting to be in manufacturing when it came to my digital multimedia career. Some of the things that I have learned in manufacturing, it's more than just a wrench, okay? It's more than just, you're hammering a nail, and it's more than just sitting at a tool, like grabbing the wrench out of a toolbox, screwing this, screwing that. I definitely have learned a lot more about manufacturing in my, 4 months that I've been here than I would have any time. There's just so much you can do here, not only with your family, but with the other Flex families too. And the bond that we create here is what drives the ball to our company's goals. Okay, if we're not all sitting here pushing that ball, it's not gonna go anywhere. If somebody were to ask me, 3-4 months before I graduated college, hey, would you wanna go into a manufacturing job? I would say no. Here at Flex, that is the exact opposite. I was not expecting the exact opposite of what you would think a manufacturing company is like. To somebody who is getting out of high school, about to graduate college or whatever you can think of, I would definitely consider looking for something in manufacturing. I mean, even if it sounds crazy to you. Definitely one of my favorite aspects about Flex is just the interactions that I have with all my coworkers. You look forward to having that interaction with them, and it's just a great feeling knowing that you got, 30, 40 people behind your back.
My name's Brian. I currently oversee and work with our service and ops team here at Flex. What we do is we take care of the customer post-sale, everything from installation to any service issues they have, just making sure that their customer satisfaction is top-notch. I've been in manufacturing for about 14 years. I came on board here with Flex about 4 years ago. When I came on board, it was to oversee and work with our operations team. I actually started as a temp in a shipping department at a previous job just out of high school. I went from a shipping employee to a press operator to a shift manager to the GM of 3 plants, and then this opportunity arose and I loved the culture here and I made the switch. My conversation to come on board here actually started organically outside of a work setting. I just wasn't happy. My previous company, I'd been there for going on 14 years at that position. The flexibility of being able to enjoy your family and work at the same time, and a lot of companies don't offer that, where FlexArm did. In the manufacturing world, they seem to think that it's okay to wait 2 or 3 days to get back in contact with your customers. Here, we try to do a turnaround within 4 hours and a solution to have you fixed within 24. The service side of the business is a very fulfilling side. For sure, you get to work with people who they're providing a life for their employees, they're providing a life for themselves, they are creating jobs, they are building the economy, and it's our job and our opportunity to service them and take care of them and make sure that their machine stays up and running and that they can continue to employ and build their communities and their families that work for them. Our service just exceeds by bounds over all of our competition. Our guys are always courteous when they're on site, they're on time, they never leave early, they never walk away from a job, their trainings are always very in-depth. When you talk about a place where you enjoy coming to work, when you walk in here on a Saturday and you see multiple people riding the dirt bike track or swimming in the pond or playing ping pong with their families, you know you're doing something right for sure. Definitely the culture here is unmatched. So many manufacturing jobs, you have so many different demeanors and different people, and we push so hard during our interview process to make sure that we're bringing on A and A+ players. Manufacturing in the United States, it's what the country's been built on. We provide for 90% of the industries in the United States. Everybody from SpaceX to Tesla to NASA to Honda, Toyota, Volvo, you name them, they all use our product. And it's fun to get into those facilities and you don't realize how much reach you can have and how much good you can do in the world just through manufacturing.
My name is Tiffany Boniface. I'm the marketing manager here at Flex Machine Tools, and I've been working here for 2 years. So I was working in TV for 5 years, and I knew I wanted to make a change and get into marketing. As I was looking around at other places, I couldn't find anything aside from manufacturing marketing jobs. And so out of necessity, I was like, well, I need a job. So I went ahead and I started applying to marketing jobs, and that's how I ended up here. At first, I wasn't too excited about it because I knew nothing about the industry, but as I started working, I learned a little more. I got excited about manufacturing, and now I couldn't imagine working in any other industry. So in our industry, in the manufacturing industry, I think people move a lot slower than we do. People are catching on, they're all doing video, they're all doing great things, but we like to move faster than others. So when COVID hit and we had to adjust, we started doing live video, and we really had a good product faster than some of our competitors did and a lot of other people within the industry did. And then recently we started posting to TikTok. We post to TikTok every day, and I have yet to see really anyone in the manufacturing industry using that social media platform at this point. We have a company that's really small. We're around 50 people, and 6 of those people are dedicated to marketing, 6 full-time people. That's a lot for a marketing team. So we have 2 video people. We've got graphic design. We've got all kinds of people that are dedicated to put as much content out there as possible, whether that's written content, video content, images, you name it, we do it all. So when I got into this industry, the manufacturing industry, I was a little timid because I thought, well, it's a male-dominated industry and they're gonna look at me and think that I'm not qualified to work here, I don't know anything. But the exact opposite happened. All the males I worked with were really open to helping me learn new things, and it's really become a really good opportunity for women to just get in there and do the things all the men are doing and do it just as well. I would tell any student that's thinking about manufacturing, not thinking about manufacturing, that they should, because whether you get a 4-year degree, there's jobs in manufacturing. You get a 2-year degree, there's jobs in manufacturing. You go to trade school, there's still jobs here. And if you don't go to school at all, there's still probably a place within manufacturing. And it's continuously growing, and we're trying to keep our jobs here on US soil. And I think it's just a really good opportunity for anyone looking for a career path. You may live in a place where there's not a lot of jobs available. You may live in a place like we do where there's only manufacturing jobs around, so you shouldn't be afraid to step in a manufacturing facility and get a job within there, whether it's, roll out in the shop or an office job. I think there's probably a position that you'd fit.